Hello everyone, and welcome to my second devlog. So in the last devlog I gave a brief introduction to my game Zombardment and showed you all my progress till now. In case you haven't watched it, just click on the link above or I'll put it in the description below as well. So since then I've been working on my shop system. I designed the UI and also worked on some of the shop mechanics. I actually thought about it and I've decided to first polish all the scenes which I will need to include in the trailer, because that would help me in showing the game to others in a better way, I guess. So for the shop I'm using a scroll system, which I actually took from my level scene. It's a really simple thing to set up and it's actually really fun to use as well. So as you can see that my guns now display horizontally and you can just scroll right and left to view them. I don't think I need to explain this. I also designed the purchase button for the player to easily buy guns. Anyways though, coming to the next important thing.
Lighting.
I wasn't sure at first if this game needed lighting, but while I was designing the shop, I thought it would be pretty cool if the guns had something like tube lights over them. So I imported the universal render pipeline, which for those of you who don't know is just another name for 2D lighting. And I set it up, which is pretty simple as well. So I started working on the tube light. I imported a simple white sprite and added a freeform light to it because that's what seemed to suit it the most. However, soon I realized it wasn't working out, so I changed it. And wait, not this one. This. How does it look? So basically I imported a round light sprite, which I actually had back somewhere stored in my laptop from a previous project. I reused it and added a point light to it. Now this looks better, right? I hope so. So moreover, I added the player money to the shop, so the player knows how much he has before buying anything. I created a script for it. Here's how it works. So it's pretty simple. I first took a reference to the player script and then a reference to the text component, and then basically I just take the integer of money from the player script and string it to the text component here. To make things look better, I added a dark panel to the guns behind them, so it basically makes them look more prominent. Finally, I added this selection image so that when the player selects a gun, it gets highlighted. I took the x-axis position of every gun panel and added to the script for each gun so that the selection is placed accordingly. I know there is still some stuff left to be added, like the gun description, plus the shop needs more guns as well. I will be working on that in due time. And for now, this devlog ends here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, please leave a like. I plan to release more content in the upcoming days, so subscribe if you haven't already.